Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I've got another easy gel nails for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll need to prep my nails. I'll come in with my file and just file the surface and the edges. I'll come in with my cuticle pen and push back my cuticles. I'll come in with a primer to help the nails stick longer. I like to use my base coat as glue, so I'll get my fake nail, come in with a little bit of the base coat, then put it on my natural nails, push it down into the cuticle area, then I'll cure it for about 5 seconds just to secure it in place. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and cure them for 60 more seconds. These are coffin shaped and I would like to shape them into oval ones, so I'll come in with my file and start filing the tips. I'll file the surface as well to help the gel stick better. To customize my gel polish, so I will get a container, come in with a little bit of a clear polish, then come in with a little bit of that white polish. I'm going for that cloudy white. After it has been mixed very well, I'll just go ahead and give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll cure them under the UV light for about 60 seconds. Want them a little thicker, so I'll come in with a second coat. Come in with my file and just touch up with the shape a little bit, and I'll make sure I file the surface as well. Extraordinary, just very light work. Afterwards, I will come in with a glossy top coat. Some white chrome powder. I'll just take a piece and rub it onto my nails. seal them off with a glossy top coat and cure them for 60 seconds. And here we all done now, very easy and fast to make. I hope I did help you, and I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.